Grand Canyon is?
It's a valley.
Okay, it's a valley. Very good. Now, who can tell me how do you think this valley formed? How do you think?
Water is something. Water went through and it comes in valleys.
Awesome. Very good. Does anybody have any other ideas, Victor?
An ice glacier.
Isolation?
No, ice glacier.
Oh, ice layers?
Ice glaciers.
Oh, ice glaciers. Okay, very good. Awesome. Any other ideas?
By erosion.
Oh, what's erosion? That's a great idea, but I want to know, what is erosion?
So, like when water and air and ice move stuff to other places.
Awesome. High five. That is very, very good. That is exactly what erosion is, and that's what we're going to be learning today. Weathering, erosion, and deposition. Have you guys heard of weathering, erosion, and deposition before? Who has? Raise your hand. I know you have. Who has? Okay, so that's what we're going to be learning today. So today we're going to learn about how the earth changes and how valleys like the Grand Canyon form through weathering, erosion, and deposition. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet because I want you to explore at the different stations and so that you can kind of get an idea, and then I want to see what your thinking is. Is it okay if we make mistakes?
Yes.
It's totally okay. Is it okay if you're not right the first time?
Yes.
We all make mistakes. The best scientists in the world make mistakes in order to learn.
Plaster? We can observe that not only rocks can break down, but ice can break down too.
They look like glaciers.
Okay, so this is ice? Yeah. But not only the rocks can break down, ice can break down too, because you see?
Because it melts when we have hot hands and we touch it, kind of melts a lot.
It melts.
Don't drop all stuff.
It looks like a pimple.
Look, that already has a void outside of the plate. That's what I don't want. It's so hard that there's one outside of the plate. Yes. Okay, so what happens when there's water inside of a rock?
It freezes and it breaks down.
And what happens when it expands to the rock? What does the rock?
breaks.
Very good. So what do you think weathering is?
Weathering is the breakdown of rocks, sand, soil, sediment.
Very good. Now, do you think ice is the only way for rocks to break down, for weathering to occur? How else do you think that weathering occurs?
By wind or by the rain.
Okay, very good. Water. What is this?
By ice
And
By rain. Water.
tornadoes.
Wind.
wind. Very good. Awesome. Good job, guys. Go ahead and keep on talking about it. We're going to have a couple more.
What do you think of the fan represents?
Exactly. There we go. Okay. So let's say we have water in the rock, but you're in the desert. Really? Is that water going to...
Hey, we have to do that. We don't have to do it. Hey, baby.
Right? Now, what if that same rock was put... What would happen to that water?
It's free.
What happens to
So
water?
awesome.
It expands. Ice expands.
It makes a shape. That's a shape. When you blow it, it looks like
A different shape.
yeah. Like this is a
So that's how the land changes, right? It's constantly changing.
They blow it.
Because, yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Cut that one out. That one's
It makes a hole.
Where there's more wind directed in a
No,
certain spot,
it makes
in the crevices.
yeah. It makes different shapes.
Very good. It makes different shapes. Now, how do you think that affects the earth? Remember, we're looking at sand. It's representing, what is sand representing?
It's representing
Or maybe could it be rocks? Rocks, very good. Okay, so how does that affect the earth? Yes, ma'am.
We can carry it to the ocean and make a new island.
Very good. It can carry it to different places and it could, change the earth's surface. So what is erosion? What do you think erosion means? The definition. What do you think erosion means? Betsaida? Is it Betsaida?
Yes.
Okay. The movement of what did you have at each station that was the same? Sand. And what are we using sand to represent?
Rocks.
Rocks. So it's the movement of
Rocks.
erosion is the
Movement of rocks.
very, very good. Erosion is the movement of rocks. Okay?